Good Wednesday morning. No, we're not making pancakes yet. It's Wednesday morning. We're gonna make them tomorrow morning. But I gotta open this. What is this? Oh, it's a vintage shaker mixer. From 1974. I tried to find the one from the actual ad from 1957. I couldn't find it yet. Where does it say 1974? How cool is that? Ideal for cream sauces, whipped cream, chocolate drinks, thickening for gravy, salad dressings, fruit powder drinks, scrambled eggs, cocktails. Can be used as a measuring cup made of sturdy polished aluminum from Progressus. Progressus. That's right. I really don't buy Wesson vegetable oil. I think I've bought it once or twice before for a recipe. But this is a Wesson ad. We're supposed to use Aunt Jemima pancakes, and you know, Aunt Jemima is really not here anymore, but this is her company. I'm actually kind of sad. Let me just say, I get it. I understand why they took her off, but now no one's going to know. Anyone growing up today won't know Aunt Jemima pancakes. Aunt Jemima pancakes! I get it, but I don't get it. So we're going to use this. Let's open it. 1974. That's weird. It's been restapled. That worries me. But it looks new. Why is it restapled? Where's my staple opener thingy? There's my staple opener thingy. Somehow it broke. I broke a tab and it broke. I don't even remember that happening. Oh, the staples are smaller. Oh, it worked. That's one. I wonder why this was restapled. Two. Okay. Wow. How cool is it you can buy this from 1974? Very lightweight. Oh, it's dented. I didn't see that in the package. That's a bummer. He didn't say it was dented. Oh, that's a bummer. Still, it's new. Hey, yeah. 10 shakes pancakes. We're gonna have to make pancakes tomorrow morning. Damn it! Good Friday morning! Before we get started, shakers are not that novel. In fact, I found a picture of an old Aunt Jemima box using a shaker, stop it! A plastic yellow and white shaker. You can find them on eBay. Actual Aunt Jemima shakers. So Aunt Jemima had a shaker on the back of their box. So Wesson probably wanted in on the action. I'm just guessing. Now we're supposed to add the milk, egg, and oil, then the pancake mix. We're making pancakes, and it's cold this morning. It's a chilly morning. And we're using the crap syrup. My dad would hate this. I've said it before here. My dad loved the real maple syrup. He would take the real maple syrup to IHOP. I've said that before. Boy, that was funny. Okay, we are making pancakes, and we're using our Household Institute aluminum griddle from 1953. I know it's from 1953 because I got the cookware set in the original box with a stamp, with a 1953 sticker on the box. How cool is that? So 1953 griddle and a 1957 10 Shakes pancake ad. Stop yelling! I yell a lot. I'm sorry. If we weren't doing this, we'd be using butter. Come on. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking.
Here we go. To open, lift tab and pull. Para abrir, levante, lápiz, llave. To close, tuck red tab in. Para cerrar, acomoda la pesquera, with pescado y perro. Okay, that went deep. Doesn't always happen that way. Oh, hey, that opened pretty easy. I'm really surprised. Oh. Oh. There you go. Come on. Huh. Oh. Oh. 1 cup of milk. Okay. Cup of milk.
Says a tablespoon of oil, and they show a kitchen tablespoon, and I did check this with a measuring tablespoon. Pretty much the same.
Hey. Whoa. How do we do that? Hey. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna shake. It's a good thing there's room in the cat. I'm nervous. Right. Lid is down. 10 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey!
Wow, slow. Okay. Alright, we want 3. Oh my gosh. Hey! We need the butter. We might use the butter again.
Get our bubbles. I'm so excited! I am pretty excited.
Alright. Nice. Ooh! Oh, they're pretty! I'm shaking. That's too big. Oh, they're too big. Okay. Ooh.
Pretty!
Hey! Oh, man. Hey! Hey! I think we're done. Hey! Here we 1, 2, 3. Sounds good. Yeah! That was close. Hey!
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Oh.
Ow! That's hot!
That's okay, I can clean the stove.
Look at that, it's nice and clean. Hey!
That's good. That'll do. Pearl milling syrup.
I don't have pancakes very often, so this is a real treat for me. They are thinner. I'm okay with that. Ooh, 10 Shakes pancakes. They taste good. They're pancakes. I need a glass of milk. can't have pancakes without a glass of milk. You know, makes you feel like a kid. Oh yeah. Boy, that touches a memory nerve. Milk and pancakes. Hey! 10 Shakes Pancakes from 1957. I think we're going to have to do an Aunt Jemima copy cake. Copy cake. I think we're going to have to do an Aunt Jemima copycat. There's a whole story to the ingredients that were used starting, boy, back in the 1800s. And that might be fun because it's more like a 4-flour pancake. Teaser shot. Thanks for joining me this Friday before the end of times. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Oh. Thanks for watching. Oh, man. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, man. Ah.